Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Got a few more things to do to this V70R. First and most importantly is the floor. Got to close up this hole in this floor back here. I don't think I unlocked the door yet. I'm going to seal that with some epoxy I bought. Then I'm going to do the rear brakes. Then I'm going to try to get this exhaust off the bumper. I need to find a tip to match the other one so they'll have matching tips. And then I need to figure out what's going on with this rear door. Need to make sure wiper works, stuff like that. So let's get started with getting everything out of here so I can close up this hole. Got it beat into the position I want it in. You can see the seams I need to epoxy those closed. I'm going to go mix up the epoxy. I already brushed it off with the wire brush. This is what I'm going to use for this application. I don't see a part number. But anyway, it's quick weld steel reinforcement. Sets in 6 minutes. Should be good. Let me get this stuff mixed and applied. I got stuff to do. Got the pads on, pins all lubed up, pads facing the proper direction. Hub centric ring installed. Now I gotta install the wheels, torque them, put some splash panels down there in front of the fuel tank. Now we got these things. One's left, one right. I'm going to guess this one's left. Goes on this way. Let's see if it fits. Then we'll put the other one on the other side. These go right down here on the front edge of the tank. See the screw receivers there? And they clip in there. So, this one will slide in there, go up here, and pin in there. Let me get this in place, screw it on. Time to figure out why this high mount brake light's not working, and a couple other things back here, including the wiper, I believe. And I suspect it's probably wires in here, hinge area broken, so we're going to test that. I have a wire harness somewhere, but I got to find it, so let's see if we can figure out why this is not working and then fix the problem. I open up this harness, see how many wires I got broke. I see at least 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 4 or 5 wires in here broke, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish cutting this across, and I'm gonna splice these wires, and I'm gonna tie this up here until I find the harnesses I have in my little storage in the garage, and then I'll replace this harness. This unit is not working. I assume the transmission stuff up here is locked up. When I put power to it, nothing happens. But when I plug it into this one works fine. So I'm gonna swap that over, maybe free that up if that motor's not burnt out. Yeah, nothing's going on. We are good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this back window off, and he'll be all set. Got in the car, I had an ETS light on, so I cleared the codes again, make sure my fuse is tight. Then I ran this thing through, looking for my mouse. See what repopulates. I don't know what's going on with this SRS light, and that ETM is still red, so maybe some code in there. This thing may need to run a little while to clean up, I don't know. But it's not perfect. So let's see what repopulates. I got everything buttoned up on here. I just need to clean up my tools outside. And then I'll be done for the day, because it is dark. 7:30, very dark. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.